Welcome back to the channel, guys. In the last video we did the flooring in this room. Today we're going to be doing the trim. The trim's going to entail doing a trim around this closet and hiding this track that the door slide on. Let me show you guys a quick tip. When you're cutting with a miter saw and you cut a piece like this and it's a little bit too big and you gotta shave it down, you don't want to put your hand near the saw. So the larger piece of wood like this, we're going to use as a backing to hold it against the saw. We're going to trim it down, and that way you don't have to put your hand near the blade. Okay, now I got the wood framing around where the door is going to go. I'm going to take these guys here, just leave a little 1/4 inch reveal on the sides here, nail this all together, should be good to go. after I got all the trim assembled around the closet, the next thing I did is I went through and patched all the holes with some wood filler, then ran caulk around all the seams so it hides the gap and kind of makes everything a little bit more uniform. So it looks nice and clean. Now it's going to be sealed and painted because this is still the raw wood here. And that's pretty much it. This room is done. Hope you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. This closet, right now the closet is, the cat is crying. Trying to film the video and my cat likes to talk a lot, so he's outside the door talking because the door was closed. This is Bubba. Say hi, Bubba.